What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the coolant level on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. When you're under the hood, over on the passenger side, the coolant reservoir is located right here. Now you want to check this while the engine is cold. You don't want to check this when it's hot. And definitely don't want to take the cap off while it's hot. But there's a level right here. That line right there is the low level, so if it's underneath that line, you're going to want to add the appropriate coolant. You can check your owner's manual to get the appropriate coolant, and you want to fill it up to where the full line is, right there. Just take the cap off. Like I said, don't do it when it's hot. Add the coolant, put the cap back on. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.